Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to add subtitle in your shorts video, so this video for you. So if you start your TikTok account and if you want to grow, and also you can start your YouTube shorts video and Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels video. So you must have to upload shorts video, okay? And the shorts video using captions is a great way to audience engagement, and it's the highest rate. And the expertise says always that if you add a subtitle or captions in your video, you will get high engagement ratio and high watch time, and also you get subscribers and a potential client. So no more delay, so let's get started. And if you are new here, I'm Raihan, a freelancer and content creator. So I make videos how we can make money online, how we can start freelancing journey, and also how we can start your YouTube business, and how we can make your life easy with different AI tools. So hit the bell icon, and when I upload, you will get notification. So let's get started. The tools I will introduce today, it's called submagic.co, and it is the really amazing tools, and it's the really magic. Okay, so here you can see you can add also b-roll, and also you can add amazing captions. Like here you can see the Mr. Beats and the great content creator and the highest earners. Also you will see the different kind of conversation and auto zooms, b-roll and captions, all right that. So let's check this website. And first of all, if you are new here, so you have to sign up and try for free. So before trying or before upgrade your premium packages, so make sure you use these tools. Okay, so create viral shorts in a seconds with AI, and let's check this. How many people are using this and who can use this and who already are using this. Okay, here you can see post like the top creators Ali Abdal, Kendall Jenner, Simon Sinek and Iman Ghazi. So if you want to create like this kind of creators videos like Ali Abdal and one of the most favorite YouTubers, and you will get really amazing subtitles and captions. So definitely you can try these tools. Okay, so I will show the step by step how we can create this. Okay, so if you are a content creator, if you are an entrepreneur, and if you are a podcaster, and if you want to really grow your channels, so you must have to upload your shorts video, and definitely captions is the best way to grab the attention. Okay, so before starting, I just got a clarification that many of you just asking this, it is not free. So guys, you have to understand that the Submagic, they are creating these tools not for free. They have some free versions that user can consider, and user can use this, and so that they can take decision either they can use these tools or not. So that's why we are using this kind of tools. So if you want to really produce this kind of content, you must have to pay. So no AI tools is 100% free. So that's the truth. Okay, so first of all, you have to click on just try for free. So click on try for free. All right, here you can see the sign up option. You can sign up with Google. So I'm going to click on sign up with Google, and I'm going to drive you the main dashboard. All right guys, right now I am in my Submagic dashboard. Here you can see you are on free plan with watermark. So when you use free plan, any AI tools, they are getting you definitely watermark. So it's okay for a trial. Okay, so if you want to remove this, so definitely you have to upgrade their packages. And the first thing, we can use 3 videos. The first thing, we can trial for 3 videos as a new user. Okay, 3 videos. So here you can see that this is a very simple dashboard, so no need to high skill to learn. So it's a really magic. So first thing first, here you can see the new videos. So click on new videos. All right, so here you can see upload your video. Upload size limit is 2000 megabyte. Okay, and if you want to upgrade to more upload, so you have to upgrade. And here you can see the trim video and edit captions. So you have to drag and drop and upload the videos over there. So I'm going to upload my videos over there. All right guys, so I just recorded with my phone, and the resolution is not good enough. Okay, so please consider this. So you can see English, make sure your languages. So if you are French, Arabic, or Danish, German, Finnish, so just check your language. Okay, and make sure your language, and make sure his language is available. Okay, so I will keep it English, and just click on upload. All right guys, so my video is 100% uploaded, and right now they are generating auto AI captions. So this is the crucial time, and let's see Alright guys, so this is the script, auto-generated script, and we have last see you later, thank you. Okay, 59 seconds video. And if you want to remove 13 silence for 4.2 seconds, so definitely you have to upgrade. Okay, so this is the stage number 2. So our next step is just we have to create the videos. Okay, so click on the create short and just create a name, Raihan Rifat. All right, so here you can see the two options over there, create and stay, create and edit captions. So click on create and edit captions. And guys, this is the second phase, like the edit section. Already you can see we have just theme over there, and this is the styles of captions, and we have to select the styles. That's mean the caption styles, how we can show the captions. Okay, so I'm going to click on William. Submagic AI captions accuracy is 98.85%. Okay, also you can change the captions, different spelling or anything you want to add, or also you can delete over there. Okay, and let's check the b-roll section. Here you can see this is the b-roll section where they will add over there. All right, so all the steps done. So let's click on export. And if you want to upgrade, that's mean if you want to download a 4K resolution. Okay, so I'm going to download 180 pixel, that's mean the free version. Okay, so click on export. All right guys, so finally video is ready. I can download from here. So before downloading, I want to show you the final results. All right, so just
Hey guys, it's me Raihan Rifat.
okay, perfect.
And let's check my YouTube analytics. In May
They are adding
2024, got 19,200 views and 133 more than. All right, and let's check the watch hours. I got 182% more than. Okay, and it is 528 hours. Okay, and let's check the subscribers to show you that, because it's the highest number of subscribers I got.
And if you want to really spend some time and money to create better content like AI captions, so you can use Submagic. Like suppose if you want to hire someone who can add subtitles or Submagic from Upwork or Fiverr Freelancer, so it will cost more money, so it's really expensive. So here you can see, so it's really amazing. You can create your videos, or you can add as captions, and it's really amazing. They are adding some different kind of like emoji and different kind of video over there. Okay, so finally I'm going to download this video. Just click on here, download video. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I will not take more times from you. So if you enjoyed this video, please comment below, and if you have any queries, just comment. And if you found this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel, and I will come back with another tutorial. So have a good day, tata, bye bye.